Hello guys, welcome to Technicado Pro. We will have a session today on shell scripts, the Linux shell scripts. So what we'll do, we'll start with a basic script that we'll create in our system. It's a basic script called Hello World, like we do it in other languages, C, C++, and Java, where you start with Hello World. So we'll start here with Hello World. Okay, so this is the basic script, and first, before going into the script, let's see what we have here. We have logged in with the user Jerry. Okay, so how to check a user, which user with you are logging with? Who am I? Correct. So we are into the user who am I, and we will create a script of hello world. So let's start. First, we are currently in Jerry user, and we have in it a folder or a directory called scripts. Okay, so I have already made it, so you can make this directory in your system, so that we will have all the scripts under this folder only. This way we have a category decide for all the scripts that we are making it. Okay, so let's go into the scripts folder. Okay, now we are here. Let's check what we are having here. Nothing. Okay, so we have 0 files here. What we'll do here, we'll create our first script here. Before that, we'll create a file for that. Okay, so let's use our vi editor, vi hello world. Okay, so the file is ready. Now we need to enter what we need to put it into the script. Correct. So let's start. What we'll do is, first we will insert, and we will insert these things. Now what we need to do, I have already written these things because this is not script related. This is something that you need to put in the script so that the details are available, like what you have done, where you have done, and when you have done. Okay, so we'll go to the first one. Here we are into the bash shell script. Okay, second one is the author who has created this script, so I put my channel name. Second, when we have created, it's on 7th July 2020. And the next is the description. Description is that this will simply put the output as hello world on screen. Okay, so this is the basic shell script, so I'm taking it a little bit slow. Right, so what we need to print out, it's hello world. So for printing out, we use the keyword as echo. Okay, echo hello world. Okay, so the script is completed, so we'll save it. Right, now we have saved our script, so we'll see that if this scripts work or not. So let's check out what we have here. Okay, so this is the hello world script, and to run a script, what should we do? We use dot slash and the script. Okay, now the permission is denied by, let's check it out. See, we do not have the execute access here. Okay, so for the user Cherry, we do not have the execute access. So let's change the modification, chmod a plus x and the name of the script. Okay, now when you see, the execution access is there and the file color has changed. This is one of the way that you can check that the file has been given execute access or not. So we'll again execute the script. Okay, hello world. See, so you can go inside the script again and you can make the changes and then again run the script. This is our first script. Okay, so we'll move ahead then. Okay, So next we will make a script which will run some basic tasks of Linux, like the commands that we have learned before: pwd, ls, copy, move, these kind of commands. It will be run by a script that we'll create. Okay, so it will be really cool. You don't have to type the commands again and again. You just have to run a script and it will do all the things. Okay, so let's just start. What we'll do, you'll clear out the screen. Now we'll create another we are inside the scripts. Okay, so we'll create another folder or another script, what we'll call it as a basic task or beginner's task. Okay, we are inside it. Again we'll start the script the same way that we have started before. Okay, so I'll paste this thing, right, and description: this script will display okay. So what we'll do, I like to it's better to start a script with echo, just to give it a blank line. So what we'll do, echo, and we'll keep it blank. I'll come into the next line. Okay, next line we'll again write echo, and we'll explain what we are going to do. So this script will find some basic stars. Now remember, this is not the description. This line will get printed when we'll run the script. Okay, this will tell you what is going to happen. Okay, so again echo, give a black line. It will be good when you print the script so that you have a proper gap between two commands. Okay, so we'll use now some basic commands like pwd, ls, my, date, calendar, and we can use a slightly different command like touch. We'll create a file. Okay, touch abc. Okay, so before going ahead, what we can do here is that after each command we can give one echo so that we'll have a blank line. Okay, so it will be better for everyone. Correct. So before ending it, we'll add one more echo, and we'll just print it's just basic identification that we put. So we have done it. Let's save the script. Okay, now we have saved our script here. Okay, you can see here as beginner's task, but it has not been given a proper access. You can see. Okay, again it has only read write access, no execute access for the user Cherry. So again let's do it. Okay, so the access has been given. Now let's try to run this script. Wait. Now check this out. This is the first echo that you gave. This was the description of the script, kind of a description of the script that we wanted to print on the screen. Okay, so this was first thing. Then second was we gave as pwd, we have to print the current directory. So we were in home Cherry, under the user Cherry we were in scripts. Okay. Now after that we gave ls. Now you can see that in ls it is giving only two files, beginner's task and hello world. Now if you remember, while creating the script at the last we gave one command as touch a b c. That means it was going to create three files a b and c, and it is not showing here. Okay, so it is happening because while the at the time the script came to the point of touch abc, it had already printed the current files available in the current directory. So at before creating touch abc, only two files were available. Those were beginner's task and hello world. So that is why touch abc, that means a b and c files are not available in the ls command, but it has been created. I'll show you ahead. Okay, so these are the two files. Now next was who am I. Who am I is the user, so the current user is Cherry. Now again, then we gave date, so it has printed the current date. Okay, date and time. So date is July 7 and the time is 12:30 UTC. Now after that we gave the calendar command cal, so it has printed the calendar, and then it has ended. Okay, you can see here it is giving end of script, and while you can see here, if like here you can see one line has been left because of the echo we gave. Here around two lines or three lines have been left. This is because one of the touch abc command is left. So before that one blank line was there, after that one blank line was there. Okay. So we can see here that if that touch abc has worked or not. So we'll give ls-ltr right here. So these three files abc, it's in the descending order, the latest one first and the after that in that sequence. So as you can see here, we have been able to successfully run a command, run a script where it will run certain commands which we can give into that particular shell script. So we have got the success task, and this was after we creating a hello world basic script. Now we are moving ahead. Okay, so let's move ahead and go to the next task. So we will move ahead now. The next task that we will do is the admin task. So first let me clear out the screen. Okay, we will again be in the scripts directory only. Now we will create another folder called as sysadmin task. Okay, we are inside this file. So we will start this script as we have done with our previous two scripts. Okay, we'll just paste it and we'll change the description. This script will output the system commands. Okay, so again we will start with echo, give a fresh line, then echo, and we will choose the system admin command. So the first one is we'll use the top command. We'll check how our system is running, how much load it is taking, memory, CPU, all these things. Okay, top, again echo. Then we'll check, we can check for the disk space, dffnh. Okay, next is free -m go game echo. Next is time, the time of the server that you are currently working in. IOStat. Okay, so what these all the admin tasks do, I'll tell you once we print out it on the command line. Okay, so again Okay, so we have completed it. Now we need to just stop dfnh free minus top. Okay, okay, I was going to make a mistake. What you can do here is, if you will run, if this script will run the top command, what it will do, it will, the script will get stuck at that point only. It won't be able to run the next of the subsequent commands, because top is a continuous command. It will not display a static result. The results are dynamic, so it will never stop unless and until you force stop it. So to not let it happen, what we'll do is we'll pipe it with some other command. Okay, so let's pipe it. We can do is we can print some top rows, like let's print the top 10 rows. Okay, we don't need anything after that, right? So what we'll do is, we have created the script and we'll just save it. Okay, so now we have saved our script. Okay, so let's check it out. Yeah, so again this does not have the execute access. Again we'll do the same thing. Yeah, it has it. Now we'll run it. Oh, okay, we have made a mistake. Now we are inside the script and we are going to check what mistake we have done. It's a very stupid mistake done by me and you should not do it. So let's check it out. What we have done, we have eCode. That means we have asked the script to print these commands. We have not asked them to run the command. Okay, so this is one of the biggest mistake or the stupidest mistake that we have done. Okay, so you do not have to do it, so just check it out. Just remove the echo part. That's it. Yeah, the rest is fine. Okay, so we are again going to save it and then we'll run the script. So let's check what this script will print. We have already made the changes, so first let's clear out the script. Okay, and here we are, and we have to run the script now. Now this is what we wanted. Yeah, now you can see here we have run the script and we have directly got the top command. Now these are the top 10 rows. You can check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this blank one is also one row. So top command has printed the first 10 rows. After that we have given the file system to check the file storage system, that is the df-h. So again this has printed all the details that we needed here, correct? Then we have given free -f, how much memory is free. So here you can see total memory is 978, used is 128, free is 258, and the rest is cache, and this much is available. Okay, and again after free -f, free-m, we gave uptime. So system has been up from 12:49 and it's been 59 minutes that it has been up, and one user is using. The load is given like that only, and then after that we have given iostat. So here sysadmin task iostat command not found. Now iostat command, sometimes you have to install there. So this particular Ubuntu system does not have the IO stand, that's why it has not been found. You can install it and then it will show the details of that IO stand. Okay, so this is one of the most important scripts, because before running the scripts in a hardcore manner, you need to understand what you need to do in a script, and for that you need to go to the basics. First hello world, then we did the basic understanding of the commands, how to run it with a script. Then we have come to the admin commands, sysadmin commands that we run, how to run it through a script. So the biggest learning what we learned from this was the use of the top command. If any command is like that which displays dynamic result, we need to pipe it with something else so that the result is not dynamic. Okay, so that will make the result as a static result. So I hope you like the session. So just check out other videos. I have 3 more videos before this based on these things only. Check it out and let me know. In case you have any feedbacks, just mention it in the comment, or you can reach out to me on my email ID. Thank you. Bye bye.